Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and I've got Feelunique, the beauty box. It comes in this little pouch here. So if you're new to the subscription, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I chose, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments. So you're free to flick forward. Once upon a time, Feelunique had two sample services. One was called Pick a Mix, where you could choose 5 samples for free and you just pay £3.95 shipping. And that is still running today, which is brilliant. I love that service. Then they brought out the beauty kit, which has the same concept as the Pick a Mix, but you're receiving larger sizes. And instead of being free, you had to pay £12.95, I believe. It did go up a little bit, but then it came down. Well, anyway, last year they decided to finish with the beauty kit and bring out the subscription. You can opt for a one-off box which will cost you £13.95, no commitment, no signing up, you just need to create an account with Feelunique. Plus they offer you a subscription, a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. And I believe at the moment they have an offer. If you subscribe for 3 months, instead of paying £12.95, your first box would just cost you £4.95. I'll double check with that. You'll find details down below in my description, as well as any offers Feelunique have got on. I collaborate frequently with Feelunique, which I'm really grateful for, and they have lots and lots of offers, so I'll pop them down below in my description, as well as a code that they've given me to share with you. It can't be used against any of the sample services or this beauty box, but it can be used on their website, which is Beautygeek FUA. And that will entitle you to 15% off your purchases. So going back to the beauty box, you get to choose the items that go inside, and you can choose up to 5 samples. But they're not always samples. Sometimes you have full-size items in there, which is brilliant. Really, really great. We've had mascaras, we've had lots of different makeup actually, and we've had primers that are full-size, body lotions. So it's well worth checking out. There's no particular date that they release their products on their website. It's not like an edit they bring out monthly and then they change it month by month. They just add on products and take away products as and when, I suppose. If there's anything amazing that are in the boxes that I think, oh my gosh, I've got to share it with you all, then yeah, I'll share it everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, on the community tab, on here, Twitter, although I don't use Twitter that often, but I'll post it up everywhere because we have had some really, really decent products, but unfortunately they sell out. Hence, as soon as I find out, I'll let you all know. If you sign up and choose your products on the 1st of April, you will not be able to choose again until the 1st of May. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out or if there's anything you want to know, then please ask away. But yeah, let's get on to showing you what I chose this month. As well as the products, you've got the option to have a bag. I always click I want a bag so that I can show you in the videos. I've got quite a lot of them now. But you have got the option to say no if you don't want to, especially if you are a regular subscriber. So first up, I've got a load of Benefit eye products. This is the Precisely My Brow, and I've got it in shade 4 Warm Deep Brown. And you can buy them at this size. Buy them at this size. This isn't a full size one, but it's close. No, it's not. It's the little mini sizes, which you can buy for about £10. I think so. You just twist it up. Now, I am normally a Benefit shade number 3 person, but I have got microbladed eyebrows. I've had them microbladed for coming up to a year now. They're starting to look a little bit greyish just in the outer corners, so I like to use like pencils like this just to fill in a few little lines there so they look like little hairs, and the outer corner I tend to go a bit darker. If I went my usual 3, I don't think you'd be able to see much on the outer corner there. So yeah, so I've got a Precisely My Brow. Then I've got a Goof Proof. I've already made my money just on these two. And I've got this in shade 3. This is Warm Light Brown, which is the shade I normally go for. Now, Goof Proof is a little bit thicker. The pencil is a little bit thicker and it's angled. So great for shading, but also with the tip there, you can get some really nice lines as well. So this shade I would use on the outer corner of my eyebrows, and in here or on the inner corners. Yeah, I don't like an even block eyebrow then, if you know what I mean. But yeah, really chuffed to that. So I've got a Goof Proof, and then I've got a Gimme Brow. This is a brow volumizing fibre gel, and I've got it in natural deep brown, 4.5 here. So this might be like a little sample, and you can't buy them at this size. I don't think so anyway. It is quite small. So we'll have a look at the shade. This is the darker one. So again, if you like a textured looking brow, hint of a tint of a colour, and you like a gel to put them in place, then these are fab. They're really great. So there's that. And then I've got the same again, but in a different colour. Gimme Brow Plus, but in 3 this time. A neutral light brown. I honestly thought I chose a clear eyebrow gel, but I didn't. That's fine, that's fine. This will come in handy, because this is more of the shade I tend to go for. You see? There. So perfect for taking away somewhere with me. Night away. That's a Gimme Brow. And then last up, I went for a face spray. This is by Institut Esthéderme, Paris. It's a new brand for me. City Protect Insilium Spray. And it says reinforces the skin's natural defences, and there's 30 mils here. You might not be able to see because the ring light is not great at showing you items that are metallic. But what can I tell you about it though? I can't tell you anything about it, it's all in French. No, I can't. It's just it reinforces the skin's natural defences. So City Protect Spray. Oh, it's a nice fine mist as well. Oh, yeah. It just feels so nice. Oh, nice, nice, nice. This would be lovely if you've been travelling, train, even car, plane, wherever. If you've been travelling anywhere and you just want a really nice, like, pick me up, then yeah, this is fab. This is fab. It's gorgeous. It'll add to my collection. I've got loads of them. So there you go. So those are all my products. I'll just gather them all up. I've got a facial spray by Esthéderme Paris, and then I've got 4 Benefit eyebrow products. I've got a Precisely My Brow pencil, I've got a Goof Poof pencil, and I've got 2 Gimme Brows, all in different shades, all in like 3s and 4s. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with it, considering I paid, what, £13.95. Yeah, these 2 alone would be around £20. So I've definitely made my money. Just a really nice set, especially if you've never tried any of these brow products before. They're iconic. They've been around for a good couple of years now, and they are really, really great. I'd love to know what you think. If you've subscribed or had a one-off box, did you have the same products as I did, or the Benefit ones? I've got to go. My puppy is screaming. I'm not sure if you can hear. She's just started. I've got a 11-week-old golden retriever. She's Molly. She's beautiful, but she is so annoying. Really annoying. Yeah, she can probably hear me, and she follows me around everywhere, and I'm finding it really, really difficult to film videos for YouTube. So anyway, I better go see to her, give her a cuddle. Oh no, my big dog is barking now. Can you hear that? Maisie, the older golden retriever. Right, enough chatting. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. That's if I work out a way I can keep these quiet. Take care. Bye.